Step 7. Cleaning exterior glass. When using this product, we recommend that you refer to Section 8 of the Safety Data Sheet for required personal protection. Next, clean all exterior glass with glass cleaner, a concentrated product mixed with 1 part water to 10 to 30 parts product as required, based on water quality. If you manually fill, always add the water first, then product. If you have a select proportioner, choose glass cleaner with the dial and fill. Lightly mist glass cleaner on the windshield, windows, and side mirrors. Then agitate the solution with a lint-free cloth or microfiber towel. Wipe the glass clean with a second towel. Cleaning horizontally on interior and vertically on exterior will help determine the side of any streaks.